sunlight pictures. You got normal tank light. Yeah. And they say they don't look better with natural sun. I wish there was a way to have no sunlight indoors, but like full on sunlight.
Right, look at these. SRT Yongis. Kind of beat a bit of natural sunlight.